Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I'll be showing you how to connect Claude AI to Google Drive. So whether you store documents, spreadsheets, PDF, presentations, or research files in your Google Drive, connecting it to Claude allows you to search, summarize, analyze, and work with your files without constantly switching between apps. So by the end of this tutorial, you know how to connect Google Drive to Claude, manage your permissions, start using your Google Drive files directly inside of Claude. All right, guys. So our first step is signing into Claude. So once you are on your browser, go ahead and search up Claude.ai. Once you're here, sign into your account. Once you log in, you arrive on the dashboard. Now, if you don't have an account, just create one using your email address and complete the verification process. Now, the next step is opening up the connectors page. So to open up this page, click on the customize, head into connectors here. And then where we have add, click on the drop down and browse. But funny enough, it's actually available on the connectors page, so you can easily connect your Google Drive here. So just go ahead and click on the connect and you'll be redirected to a new page where you just have to select the account you'd like to connect to. So let's say I want to go for this account. And once you've picked an account, just proceed to give the permissions and click on continue. And now just select what Claude can use Google Drive or where it can access. So we can see your downloads and also create or delete specific Google Drive files. So we can give it that access. So I'll just leave it with the option to just see and click on continue. All right, so after that, the next step you're going to be taking is verifying your connection. So once you're back in Claude, let's make sure everything is actually connected successfully. So to do this, just return to the connectors page, click on customize, head into connectors, and you're going to see a check mark on Google Drive here. Just click on the check and basically you can see things that still need approval, like downloading file content, getting file data, getting file permissions, and also seeing your recent files. If you scroll down, the option to write or delete isn't really available. There is a copy and create option. And if you scroll up, you can just basically see that connecting Google Drive to Claude to research is possible. You can search through your documents, read file contents, upload new files, analyze data. Claude can find specific documents even when you don't remember the exact name, read and analyze the content of Google Docs, sheets, slides, and PDFs. All right, so with that out of the way, we're going to be using Google Drive inside of Claude. Now that we have our Google Drive connected to Claude and we've given permission, all we need to do is just enter a prompt. I went with summarize my files and give me a total number of files on my drive. So let's go ahead and send this message in. And Claude will search the files it has access to and generate a response based on the contents. So it's going to be requesting access to the Google Drive. So just go ahead and give it access. So let's allow it once and it's going to begin searching our files. So once that is done, you can also use Claude to analyze different types of files. So one of the biggest advantages of connecting Google Drive to Claude is that you can use it to help you understand the different types of documents that are stored on your Google Drive. So you can open up files like Google Docs, PDFs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, text documents as well. You can ask Claude to summarize documents, explain your reports, and also compare files, extract important info, and answer questions based on the relevance on your documents. So this can save a lot of time when working with large amounts of info. And you can still manage your Google Drive connections with Claude. That is possible when you head into the customize area. But let's go ahead and finish this up. So we're going to be allowing it to search through files, and I've hit a limit, but basically it would find the information and relay it to you. All right, guys, so that's basically how you can manage, connect, and use Claude with Google Drive. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.